11 number questions. The IV characteristic of the four circuit element are shown below. Which among the following is an ohmic conductor? But first option is here, second is B option is, and C option is here, and D option is here. Here I, here V, I, V, I, V, I, and V. The graph is given. The graph is, and this graph is, and this graph is. Which option correct? By the Ohm's law. Ohm's law tell that the Ohm's law tell that V is directly proportional to I. Current is increases, voltage is also increases. Therefore, correct option is C. Correct option is C. Finish. Question number 12. 12 number question. 12 number questions. In case of 4 wire of same material, the resistance will be minimum when its length and diameter are respective. In case of 4 wires, 4 wires of same material, the resistance will be minimum when its length and diameter are respectively. Now, 4 wires. First wire, second wire, third wire, and fourth wire. Okay. In case of 4 wire of same material, here is row, specific resistance is constant. In case of the resistance will be minimum when length and diameter are respectively. This wire of length is L, area of cross section A, and the which wire? Now relation is, resistance of the relation is R is equal to rho into L upon A. The wire of the resistance is increases, then length is increases, and area is decreases. But opposite thing is R बड़ा नहीं है और R घटा नहीं है, तो लेंथ कम करने का और एरिया इंक्रीज करने का, तो क्या कौन सा ऑप्शन है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. देन R is minimum, then also L is minimum, and then A is also increases, automatically resistance of the wire will be changes, will be minimized. Here option number C is correct. Option number C is. Then next question. A piece of the resistance wire has the resistance of 16 ohm. Its diameter is double. Then its resistance will be. Listen here. The piece of wire, here is piece of wire, and this wire of the length is L, area is A, and the resistance is R equal to 16. R is equal to 16 ohm. Then this wire of the diameter is double. Now its resistance will be, length is wire is L, diameter is double, that means this wire of the diameter is D, and this wire of the diameter is 2D. D dash D1 D dash is equal to 2D. Then find the relations. Find the resistance of this wire. Now here is equation, right? R is equal to symmetrical wire L upon A. Therefore, rho L A means pi R square. Put the value of R, that means D by 2 bracket square equal to getting twice 4 rho L by pi D square. Here resistance is R. Now this resistance is right here. R is equal to similar R, L is same, but pi D is 2D bracket square equal to rho L 4 pi D square. This resistance 1, this resistance is 2. This first resistance is given as 16 ohm is equal to 4 rho L upon pi D square. Equation number 1. Here R2 is equal to rho L upon 4 pi D square. Equation number 2. Taking ratio of both equations, 16 upon R2 is equal to 4 rho L upon pi D square equal to rho L upon 4 pi D square. Rho is cancel, rho is cancel, L cancel, L cancel, pi cancel, D is cancel, D square cancel. If 4 is multiplied, 16 upon R2 is equal to 4 into 4 upon 1. Here cancel, 1 upon R2 is equal to 1 and R2 is equal to 1 ohms. 1 ohms. R2 is equal to 1 ohms. Then question R2 is equal to 1 ohms. Question number is 13 finished. Now question number 14. The resistance of the metallic conductor. Resistance of metallic conductor. When increases with rising temperature, decreases with rising temperature, remains unchanged with change in temperature, become zero at very high temperature. Resistance of the wire is directly proportional to temperature is relations. Therefore, the temperature increases, also resistance increases. Option number 1 is correct. A is option correct. Then next question. The Pacific resistance is numerically equal to resistance offered by Pacific resistance. Numerically equal to offered by. That means calculate the Pacific resistance Roche magnitude. Formula of the Roche magnitude is equal to R is equal to rho L upon A. Now, suppose wire of the length is L is equal to 1 centimeter and cross section area is also 1 centimeter cube. Unit length wire and unit area. At the times R is equal to rho. This is specific resistance of the wire. Therefore, 1 centimeter length of conductor of 1 centimeter square of cross section area. Option number C is correct. Then question number 16. Two resistors are connected in parallel and a current is sent through the combination current divided itself. Now, two resistors are connected in parallel. The current is sent through the combination. The current divided itself. Now two resistors. One resistance, other resistance, second resistance. Here is resistance R1, here is resistance R2. They are connected in parallel. Apply the battery. This is key is closed and current is flow I. This I current, this is I1 current and this is I2 current. Apply the here Ohm's law. V is equal to IR and here parallel voltage is constant. Voltage is constant, therefore V is constant. V is constant. V is constant. IR and then I is equal to constant upon R. That means I is inversely proportional to R. I is inversely proportional to R. Here the question number option is in the inverse ratio of resistance. Inverse ratio of resistance.